mu bayobozi bakuru bo muri guverinoma y'u Rwanda ndetse kikaza no kwitabirwa na nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika y'u Rwanda Paul Kagame. Ni igikorwa kibaye nyuma y'iminsi 7 gusa Kigali, umurwa mukuru w'u Rwanda, ukoze amateka yo kwakira bwa mbere ku mugabane wa Afurika shampiyona y'isi y'umukino wo gusiganwa ku magare UCI Road World Championships, aho ku ikubitiro tariki 21 Nzeri icyiciro cyo gusiganwa n'ibihe cyangwa se individual time trial aricyo cyabimburiye ibindi mu bagore, aho cyaje gukurikirwa n'icyiciro cyo gusiganwa mu muhanda kizwi nka road race. Kuri iki cyumweru hakaza kuba hakinwa icyiciro cya nyuma mu bagabo mu gusiganwa mu muhanda aricyo road race, kiza kuba kuri iki cyumweru tariki 28 Nzeri. Iki gikorwa cyo kwakira ku meza bamwe mu bitabiriye shampiyona y'isi y'umukino wo gusiganwa ku magare mugiye kugikurikira kuri Televiziyo Rwanda.
Distinguished guests, please join me in welcoming the President of the Republic of Rwanda, His Excellency Paul Kagame, His Serene Highness Prince Albert II of Monaco, and the President of the UCI, Monsieur David Lapatien. Please be seated. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Rwanda, Your Serene Highness, President of the UCI, Federation representatives, partners, distinguished guests, Murakaza Neza, Karibuni, Bienvenue, a very, very warm welcome to the 2025 UCI Road World Championship Gala Dinner happening for the very first time on our bright, beautiful continent of Africa, right here in Kigali, Rwanda. My name, yes. It's a moment to celebrate. My name is Makeda Mahadio, and I will be guiding you through this evening's short program as we prepare for dinner. It's been an intense and simply electrifying 7 days of meetings, qualifiers, and races leading up to this very moment. This has actually been weeks and months, and in some ways, years in the making though. And so the team really wants to take this moment to pamper you as you relax, have a good time, take it all in, and even though we're not yet at the finish line, toast to a stunning week that it's been thus far. And so, to place us firmly into the mood of celebration, please join me in welcoming, to open this evening out, a special performance by Urukerereza, the National Ballet of Rwanda.
bacu baravura bakarasa ntibahusha ibishaka bigere kubabisha bamenye yuko u Rwanda rurinzwe n'intare nasanze abahungu bambariye urugamba babihamaye bwiye abazungu nimushake mushire ku mapingu muco warutinywa sinza hari u Rwanda saka ngombwa yaraganje nasanze abahungu bambariye urugamba mu kugenda yagiye n'indege mu kugaruka yagaruwe n'iyindi yari yanze kugendwa n'igare ritahanyerera hirikamu c'umugongo kanyira iye ngombwa yaraganje nasanze abahungu bambariye urugamba ihemwe rero ihemura n'itorero ry'u Rwanda rero ihemura ngabo kucizi bazibaca mukunguri nazinginze yemwe ntore z'u Rwanda yemwe bahungu muhuji ikirenge bagabo bampaye iyo mwiriwe narunguye uri muri zo bakuza rujya bacubako murako buraruhamaye none muri zo bakuza rujya bacubako baririmbana intego niba njya muri za bakuza rugira amacumu arwanisha akabaririmbana intego mwiburiye mwana yabanya kugira imana
A majestic performance from the Rwandan National Ballet Urukerereza, using our unique style of music and dance to tell our stories. But the storytelling does not end there. We're going to ask you now to please turn your attention to the screens for a video of the week that's been.
Welcome to the 2025 UCI Road World Championship.
Yes, it has truly been an incredible ride, pun intended, of course. And who better to speak just after that than the UCI president. So please let's have a big round of applause as we welcome him to the stage. Monsieur David Lapatien, the floor is yours.
Your Excellency, Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda, Your Serene Highness, Prince Albert II of Monaco, Minister of Sport, Nelly Mukazair, Fewatsi President, Samson, ladies and gentlemen, dear cycling friends, good evening and welcome for this gala dinner. Exactly 1 week ago, at the opening of the ceremony of the 2025 UCI Road World Championship, I predicted an incredible week. But maybe I did not realize just how incredible. This week in Kigali has just not met our expectations. It has done, of course, more than that. It has taken our breath away. The cycling family has fallen in love with your country, Your Excellency, Rwanda, this week. In love with its countryside, in love with its people, in love with its beauty, in love with its vitality. Your Excellency, thank you very much. And it is wonderful to have you here with us tonight. We will never forget your country's welcome. It is an honor to have you supporting your support for cycling and for this UCI World World Championship. It means a lot for us. Special thanks also go to the Minister of Sport, Nelly Mukazair. I'm delighted that after a busy week, you can be also with us tonight. So many people are behind the success of this event. I think, of course, of the President of the Rwandan Cycling Federation, Samson, who has been working for this event for so long. And of course, all the volunteers. They are everywhere, wearing T-shirts, ask us anything. And we can. They are always ready with a big smile and assistance. I thank all of them. We have already crowned 12 UCI World Champions in Kigali this week. 12 great cycling moments. And tomorrow, we will discover the men elite UCI World Champion in road race. We can expect, of course, another spectacular battle for the iconic Rainbow Jersey in this historic event. Historic because it is the first time we bring this event to the African continent. Historic because women in the under-23 category competed in their own dedicated races for the first time. Historic because, quite simply, we have been experienced an event like this before. These UCI World Championships are not over, but we can already declare them an immense success. I'm delighted that we can celebrate this success all together this evening. Indeed, this gala dinner is a celebration. It is not the place for long speeches, so I won't continue much longer. I will finish with some special words for the President of the country, our host. Your Excellency, we deeply value your presence. You had prestige to this event. We will leave Rwanda with unforgettable memories. And we sincerely hope that you will have unforgettable memories also of the UCI World Championship. As a reminder of the event, I'm pleased to present you with a frame rainbow jersey of UCI World Champion. It is the same jersey that all our winners received this week. And finally, please accept, Your Excellency, the UCI Order. This is the highest distinction awarded to people who make an outstanding impact on the sport of cycling. It is our great pleasure with my UCI Management Committee to present you with this medal for your enormous contribution to cycling and to these 2025 UCI Road World Championships. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kigali. Thank you, Rwanda.
Thank you so much. I'd like you to once again join me in welcoming to make his remarks, Your Excellency. Please join me on stage. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Rwanda, Paul Kagame.
Please, be seated. Please. Thank you. Please, let's be seated. Thank you very much. Thank you. Your Serene Highness Prince Albert II of Monaco, David Lepeltier, President of UCI, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a good evening to you all. I'm very pleased to be with you tonight. To begin, I wish to recognize my friend, Prince Albert II of Monaco, and welcome him to Kigali. Thank you for your support for the sport of cycling and Africa's future in this wonderful sport. David Lepeltier, I congratulate you on your election as President of UCI. It is fully deserved. I also thank you very much for these special gifts presented to me. So for me, I won't be necessarily having to participate in the competition. I have more or less already won. Thank you for that gift. To everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes, please know that your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Thank you very much. Since day one, UCI has brought excitement and positive energy to the streets of Kigali. The chants, the crowds, and the smiles are a true testament of the unifying power of sports. We continue to witness some of the world's most talented athletes perform at the highest level. For our young and talented people, this is an inspiration for them to follow their own dreams with a spirit of sacrifice and endurance, like true champions. To a large extent, that is also the story of Africa as a whole and Rwanda in particular. Investing in sports on the continent is also about investing in what Africa's youth needs, which is access to the right opportunities and training. It all comes down to giving everyone a fair chance, not out of sympathy, but because everyone has something good to give back, and because the sport is stronger for it. Today, we stand here because the leadership at UCI put their trust in our country and our people to provide you with the best possible experience. Rwanda is proud to be contributing to such an important moment in cycling history, and we are happy to be sharing it with you all as one team. You all have a home in Rwanda, and we will always welcome you back with open arms. I wish you a wonderful evening of celebrations and an exciting conclusion to the championships tomorrow. We will be there cheering you on. I thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. President. How lovely to win without having to take these hills on those bicycles. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the team is now ready to serve dinner. Dinner this evening will be accompanied by the smooth, sweet sounds of the talented and beloved Rwandan songstress Bukuru and her backing band. So we hope that you enjoy your dinner. Bon appétit.
N'umuhango wo kwakira ku meza abitabiriye iyi shampiyona y'isi y'umukino wo gusiganwa ku magare UCI Road World Championship 2025 yaribereye bwa mbere i Kigali. Perezida w'ishyirahamwe ry'umukino wo gusiganwa ku magare UCI David Rapartier yashimye leta y'u Rwanda ku ruhare yagize mu gutegura ndetse no kwakira iyi shampiyona mu gihugu cy'imisozi igihumbi. Perezida wa Repubulika Paul Kagame kandi nawe yashimye iyi shampiyona cyangwa se yashimye iri shyirahamwe ryagize naryo uruhare kuzana iyi shampiyona mu rw'imisozi igihumbi ndetse no gutuma abanyarwanda bari hirya no hino ku mihanda banezerwa bakabona ibyishimo binyuze muri uyu mukino w'amagare. Perezida wa Repubulika y'u Rwanda Paul Kagame yanagarutse ku ngingo yo gushora mu mikino, gushora imari bijyanye n'imikino, aho yavuze by'umwihariko kuri uyu mugabane wa Afurika ko bari no guha urubyiruko rwo kuri uyu mugabane wa Afurika amahirwe angana ndetse no kubaha ibyo bakeneye. N'umuhango usorejwe hano muri Kigali Convention Center, naho gahunda n'ibiganiro bya Televiziyo Rwanda byo birakomeza.